First aid kit. Understanding its importance. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic in the English language. The term, first aid kit. It's not just about vocabulary. It's about understanding a crucial element in emergency situations. Let's explore what a first aid kit is, why it's important, and some common items found in it. A first aid kit is a collection of supplies and equipment used for providing medical treatment. It's a fundamental resource in emergencies, especially in situations where professional medical help is not immediately available. First aid kits are designed to manage minor injuries and to stabilize serious conditions until medical care can be obtained. Why is a first aid kit essential? It's all about being prepared. Injuries can happen anywhere, at any time, and a first aid kit provides the tools needed to address these injuries quickly and effectively. It's not just for medical professionals. Having a first aid kit is a responsibility for schools, workplaces, and even at home. What can you find in a typical first aid kit? Let's break it down. Bandages and gauze, for covering wounds and stopping bleeding. Antiseptic wipes, to clean cuts or abrasions. Tweezers, for removing splinters or debris. Scissors, to cut bandages or tapes. Pain relievers, like aspirin or ibuprofen. Cold packs, for reducing swelling or relieving pain. Gloves, to protect against infection during treatment. I hope this video helps you understand what a first aid kit is and why it's so crucial in our daily lives. Remember, having basic knowledge of first aid and keeping a kit accessible can make a big difference in an emergency. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.